Good morning, guys. How is everybody? Hope you guys are doing good. Kind of change this one up. Start off with a little quote. So, enjoy the little things in life, for one day you'll look back and realize they were the big things. So, enjoy this time. I know it's crazy and it's chaotic, and there are times we are, as parents, are at the end of our chain with our kids. I get it, and our patience is wearing thin, and just try and enjoy it. Try and take it and run with it and enjoy it. So let's see. Today, oh, I got to shrink me down. Too big. Today is Tuesday. I know I'm sure. And it is April. And today, oh, in the way again, is the 7th. Today's weather. Now, I heard it's supposed to be partly cloudy most of the day, but it's looking like it could go away. So we're going to go with sunny. And it is supposed to be nice and warm, like 70s, and beautiful and amazing. So get outside, enjoy today, have some fun. All right. Oh no, did it kick me out? Okay, well, I will come back to that. Opportunities to learn. I did the what do I do in the AM and the PM. Remember, AM is early in the morning when you're still asleep, all the way till lunchtime. And then at lunchtime, it switches to PM, and that goes all the way till past your bedtime. So at breakfast, AM, because it's in the morning. I usually do my homework in the PM if I was at school all day, I would do it in the PM. Playing at the park. Well, again, most people usually play in the park after lunch in the afternoon. When do you go to school? You go to school in the morning, so we know that is AM. And we go to bed at night, and we know that is PM. So, all right, let me see if I can get this story pulled up. Darn it. Well, our current event, it might make me log in again. I don't know why it kicked me out. Oh, don't forget Nike. Their Facebook page has things. So today's like we're a superhero. I could not find any of my superhero shirts. So I have I teach little heroes what's your superpower on. That's kind of how I made it fit into it. But I couldn't find any of my superhero shirts from last year. As I get this story, our current event pulled up, I found one. It's pretty cool. That is about a new animal at the zoo. And then when you click the link, there is animal chats. That's what this is. There's different animal chats for this is the San Antonio Zoo. That is not. Close. This is the San Antonio Zoo, and it has different chats that you can go on and learn about these different animals. So thought that was pretty cool and something you guys should check out. I don't know why that keeps opening. Okay, let's see if my story is up yet. Maybe. Oh, technology. But I hope everyone is doing good. All right. Well, our story is not loading, so that's going to be it for. Oh, there it goes. Okay, entertainment. Maybe. Why? So this zoo celebrated a new an elephant birthday. So that is what our story is. And like I said, the San Antonio Zoo has links to different videos and stuff to learn about different animals. Kind of cool. Maybe we'll get through this. All right. I don't think it's going to come up, guys, but I hope you have a great day. Get out, enjoy the beautiful weather, have some fun with your family, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.